You could do the 4 corners and then like a big dot in the middle.
Yeah.
I mean, that's if you want to do it.
Yeah, liquid cooler should be good.
Alright, so then I don't necessarily need to
Oh,
keep opening this.
you would have been held back by this.
Is
I
that
would've stopped
gonna
the entire bill?
is that gonna be enough?
Son of a bitch. I did get a cooler that came with this, so I didn't need
Yeah.
to order a cooler.
No. Yeah, no, also more comfortable than I can know with it.
Yeah. But it's fine. I'd rather use a cooler for it, like buy a slightly bigger one, than use the manufacturer one. Especially if I'm... Alright. Alright.
Shameless sniff.
Alright, so what's next?
What's next?
You got your M dot.
Probably.
You want to do... Well, I would say before the RAM, let's do the CPU.
I was thinking. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we do that and then we can install.
Yeah, because I would rather put the CPU on, and then before we put the paste on, do the RAM. Honestly, maybe at this point we should just put it inside the case, and then work inside the case.
Isn't that
Even
gonna
more
be
fragile with this one than I am that because this fucking thing just came out this one. I'm just like.
So then I'll let you do that 100%. You can handle all of that.
Yeah, anytime I do this, I feel like the people that like an Iron Man, when they go like this, you install chip, like they're just go.
Yeah.
You know, it's a sombrero. Oh my god, it's funny. You know, I remember like yesterday, I was releasing the class by Mother Gooseberry's dress, and that's when that popped out. And I'm like, yo, Modelo man gave a sniff, and she's like, "Arr." I'm like, oh my god, I haven't even put it in yet. What you talking about? Why you screaming? Like Koya was like, yeah, I'm gonna get you. I'm like,
That's
you ruining the
insane.
moment, man.
That is got to be at least 200 pins.
Oh yeah.
That's
Now,
wild.
you already know how to install these, right?
Yeah, usually there's usually a corner will have a specific symbol. You're gonna line the corners up. Hold on, is it on this? Of course, no, it's not on that.
This corner up in there. Oh.
Oh, I see the triangle right there. Got it. Okay, bud. I'll let you do it. Just slaps the fucking thing closed.
Oh my god. So exciting.
There we go. Nothing on there. All right, big dog. RAM, and then slap her in the case.
RAM, and then probably, yeah, slap the case, and then we'll work with the liquid cooler.
Okay, yeah, because what we're probably gonna want to do.
Ramming and slamming.
Wait,
Ram.
where's
Sounds
the...
like a good idea.
Get the other NC stuffs. Might as well put all of them in right now.
Okay.
To be
Wait, all
continued.
3 of them?